So let's close the left panel here, and in my create order function, we need to, of course, create an order. So now that we have an instance of the order object, I can say order dot amount is equals to my total price. Then I will add order dot ID is equals, and let's create a unique ID here, and we say UID string, and then we need the customer ID. So we say order dot customer ID is equals to, let's put our dummy 123 customer ID here, and then we need the items that we want to order. So we say order dot order items is equals, and this is array, and in this array what we need to do is to access self dot basket listener dot order basket dot items, because we have our items accessible in our basket. And then I will say order. Once our order is created, we can call the save to Firebase on it, and this will save it to our Firebase. So let's go back to our button here. So we have showing payment toggle, then we have create order. Make sure the create order is before we empty our basket, because otherwise there will be nothing here to put into our order, because empty basket actually deletes everything in our basket. So let's run our project, and also I'm going to open my Firebase terminal here to see what we are working with. Now let's bring this here. So right now we have a basket, we have menu, and if I go here and check out, I should be creating a new order. See, my order basket actually updated itself, and I have no more drinks inside. So if I refresh, I should be able to see an order as well. So we have order, we have this ID, we have the drink IDs here, we have the ID of my order, the customer ID, and the total amount. So our order object was created successful, and our basket, everything was reset to 0. So I can just drag this down to dismiss, and this means that our ordering part is also working. So what will be our next step is to create our login view and finish registration view, because right now we are using this dummy customer ID 123, but what we want to do actually is to be able to log in a user and have its unique ID, so we can retrieve it in our client and our shop site application as well.